Right now, this dusty TV box is doing way more than flipping channels. It's pulling live weather, showing my next calendar event, streaming web radio, and even launching retro games powered by a tiny ESP32 snuck inside. No set-top subscription, no smart TV required, just brains in a box. Here's the big idea: repurpose the old TV box you've got lying around, keep the shell, and turn it into a smart hub with an ESP32, a few buttons, and a crisp on-screen interface. It boots fast, runs local, and talks to your Wi-Fi for data. Let me break the build into quick wins. First, tear down. Unplug, crack it open, keep the case, IR window, and any nice buttons you can salvage. Toss the old motherboard if it's locked down or dead weight. Second, the brain. ESP32 dev board, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, plenty of GPIO. I mount it on standoffs, route USB-C to the back, and add a buck converter if I'm reusing the original power jack. Third, outputs. If your old box had HDMI that you can't reuse, no stress, add a cheap HDMI adapter board or drive a small internal display. For a TV, I use an external HDMI dongle that mirrors ESP32 output via an intermediary board. Fourth, inputs. Keep the original IR window and map a universal remote. Wire tactile buttons to GPIO for up, down, select. I also pair my phone over Bluetooth for quick text input. Fifth, the interface. Simple tiles. Weather, now playing, smart home, retro, and settings. On boot, it shows a 5-day forecast, local temp, and air quality pulled via a free API. One click flips to internet radio. Another jumps into a retro launcher if you've got a companion core. The magic is in the feel. Fast transitions, bold fonts, big icons. I cache data so the weather page loads near instantly. And I map long press on the center button to a quick info overlay time, Wi-Fi, and next calendar event. Power tips: if you reuse the original power supply, isolate and test it. Mains voltage is no joke. Otherwise, USB-C from a safe wall adapter is clean and quiet. Why do this? Because it's satisfying to give old hardware a new life and make a snappy focused hub with 0 subscriptions. It's yours, it's local, and it boots in seconds. What I'd add next: voice to IR macros to control the TV, a guest mode radio page, and a night dashboard with dim colors. So yeah, old TV box, new superpowers. Grab an ESP32, a screwdriver, and make your living room a little smarter tonight. I'll drop a parts list and the code structure in the description. Keep it simple, keep it fast, and have fun.